Ever wonder why you're not getting the clicks and conversions you're hoping for? Or the classic conundrum, you're getting either 0 clicks or all the clicks, blowing out your budget? You're probably doing Google Ads wrong. Hi, Brian here, and welcome to TreeBud Academy. I make videos on business, advertising, and marketing, and I run a podcast. If you're new, welcome. I'd love for you to join the community by hitting that subscribe button. Today, I want to talk to you about why I think you're probably doing Google Ads wrong. First of all, Google Ads, digital advertising, digital marketing can't be divorced from good old-fashioned marketing. Too many people hire someone who've run, successful campaigns in the past, but sort of lack the fundamentals in marketing to see the bigger picture. So how does Google Ads fit into your overall marketing strategy? How does it help you achieve your business goals? Let's get back to the basics. Marketing 101, the 4 Ps, starting with product. It's true. With good enough marketing, you can sell anything. Heck, pet rocks were a thing back in the days. But no amount of Google Ads is going to make a sustainable business for you. And the keyword here is sustainable if your product is crap. So take off those, super optimistic entrepreneurial glasses and take a good, long, hard look at your product, your services. Is it something useful? Does it provide value for someone? I can place ads in front of your target audience, write the most compelling copy, and point it to the best, most optimized landing page. But I can't force someone to convert and trust you enough and see value in your product and services to pay you. Speaking of which, price is also important. Economics, if you set the right price, you'll always have a market for it. But again, going back to that keyword, is it sustainable? You can obviously give things away for free forever, and people will keep signing up for your products, keep using your services. But can you put food on the table with that? Can you build a sustainable business off of giving something away for free? Heck, even YouTube has to start running ads and asking people to buy YouTube Premium. Next is promotion. How does digital advertising fit into your overall mix of marketing? Do you have enough publicity? Do you have enough brand awareness that you're not covering with advertising? You have to kind of figure out, do people know you well enough to trust you and convert and pay you? So promotion is all about figuring out if you need to do some brand awareness. Do you need to do some, post-purchase marketing? Keep people engaged with your product or services. All of this is part of that promotion aspect of the 4 Ps. Lastly, but not least, and of course, these are all in no particular order, is the place. Is this the right market for you? Is it the right avenue or channels to reach your target audience? Don't go advertising on Google if your entire audience is on Pinterest and Instagram. If it makes more sense to go on those other platforms and you have limited funds, obviously go to these other platforms so that you can engage with your audience in the most effective way. Now, how does all of this tie into Google Ads? It's super important to figure out if your landing page promotes your products well enough, if you've designed your product to be a good match with your marketplace, and overall, is Google your best channel of distribution to reach your audience? Of course, 90-ish percent of people are interacting with the internet through Google, and obviously that's a place you would want to be in. But if your audience isn't converting or making that final decision based on their interactions with Google, then you're kind of just putting money away for no reason. You're just dumping money into the sea. All of this is so that you're understanding, don't myopically focus on just Google Ads. And if everything aligns and you think Google Ads is the right place to target your audience, make sure all the other things are aligned. Make sure you're not just focused on high intent, you're building up the right mix of promotion. So, maybe using responsive display ads, using video ads, and different keywords targeting different parts of the funnel, making sure that all of this comes together and addresses that promotion aspect. That your service team, you're answering questions on your website so that people understand your product and services the best. You're offering good promotional value for your customers, re-engaging with them if they, are cart abandoning, right? And making sure that the website is a great marketplace for your users, a great experience. The distribution is, all set up properly so that you're reaching the right audience in the right place. All of this, again, is marketing and fundamentals that any person managing your Google Ads should have a strong grasp of. And if you're doing Google Ads by yourself, understanding these 4 P's and how it applies to your business can make or break the success of your Google Ads campaign. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching to the very end. I really appreciate it. If you like this content, be sure to subscribe. Like this video if you did, and make sure to hit the notification bell so you stay tuned for my next videos. Thanks.